Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. As you can see, I'm walking around with crutches nowadays. We'll do that for a while. So I have been needing to do some adjustments, like carrying my Supreme mini duffel bag to carrying my water bottle all the time. And I found another reason to buy another pair of headphones. So these I bought mainly for making phone calls, because I can't carry my phone in my hand while walking with my crutches. And these are the Sudio E3, the latest greatest from Sudio. Let's check them out. So I contacted Sudio without knowing that they had news on the way, and said just how it was. I am in need of new headphones that I'm mainly going to use for phone calls. And of course, they do a lot of other things as well. You can listen to them, of course. But they told me that they had hybrid, let me see here, hybrid active noise cancellation and 4 microphones. And 4 microphones are both for the noise cancelling, to listen and cancel out, and as I assume from experience from other headphones, to have noise cancelling phone calls. And that to me is very important. I don't even have a knife on me. That's really bad. I carry a bag all day and I don't even have a knife on me, which I always have. So yeah, headphones, latest greatest from Sudio. Oh, looks nice. Nice color. I could choose between black and white, and I was sort of afraid that they were going to look white like AirPods. And I just want to say I really hate AirPods. Really hate. If I hear, which I can clearly hear, that somebody is using AirPods when I'm having a phone call with them, I just tell them, hey, let's talk another time. That's how much I hate them. So not much to see in the unboxing, but I'm going to do a review. I'm going to go through my weekly discovery on Spotify with them. So I'm not listening to the music that I usually listen to. And then show you, hopefully, what they sound like in the mic. I think the case is smaller than the other ones I had, actually. Looks good, feels good. Yeah, so far so good. Let's try them out. I just saw that my new headphones is matching my new bag, more or less. So I'm happy with that. Well, they sound better than expected. They are just in my taste. They focused on bass and mid-range. The bass was better than expected. Mid-range is just how I like it, that warm sound, warm feeling. And they're not focused at all at the high pitch as too many headphones do. So I like them. I just found it weird that they don't connect to the Sudio app. Well, there is no need for it. I just find it kind of weird. And they're easy to adjust. You use touch. So active noise cancelling, you just hold the right one for 2 seconds, and that's it. And with noise cancelling on, active noise cancelling on, yes, it kills some of the sound. It kills some of the mid-range and bass that I like. So with active noise cancelling on, they sound like just any headphones at all. But with it off, they sound really good. So I'm going to use it with active noise cancelling off until I need it. And I have no way of testing active noise cancelling, or do I? All right, so I was wrong. They don't have active noise canceling on phone calls. So three of the four microphones are used for active noise canceling when listening to music and not listening to environment sounds. Uh, I was hoping that they had active noise canceling on phone calls in the microphone. Uh, they don't have, according to the instructions, and I'm not going to go out and sit in my loud car just to try them out. Uh, but that's okay. So this is what this sound like in a quiet room making phone calls because I'm using the mic on the headphones. And I'm really happy with the sound, so I don't at the moment care that they don't have active noise canceling uh, with phone calls. Uh, but they do have, it says something on the box with clear voice. So yeah, but this is what they sound like, the microphone in the headphones. This is what it sounds like. Uh, I'm really happy with the sound. I am. So I don't complain at all. When listening to music, they were really good. And I haven't heard yet what they sound like with the mic. So let me know what you think. How do they sound? How do I sound? And I'm guessing this is it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up, yada yada yada. So just for the fun of it, give it a try. I have a YouTube video going on in the background while talking to you, and the instructions say that the active noise cancelling turns off when you are getting a phone call. So when you're getting a phone call, which this is not, you will hear everything around you. Uh, so this test that I'm doing right now, I just realized it doesn't say anything at all about phone calls because this is a video app that uses the Bluetooth microphone instead of the iPhone's microphone. I'm gonna give it a better try. I'm gonna do some phone calls tomorrow because now it's in the middle of the night, 2 in the morning. Yeah. And this is now just the standard iPhone mic, so you hear the difference. I actually contacted Sudio so I don't say anything wrong, and I was wrong. The four microphones are all for those crystal clear phone calls. They also work for the active noise cancelling, but the four microphones, as I understood, are for crystal clear phone calls, voice, whatever. And yeah, of course, you can use one at a time if you want to. The battery time was about 6.5 hours, I think. So if you're gonna wear them a whole working day, wear one at a time, and you can charge them. There are battery in the case. Some complaints when turning on and off noise cancelling, you're going to hold the right one for 2 seconds. If you hold it for 3 seconds, you turn them off. You turn them off completely. And when you turn on and off the active noise cancelling, the voice use says noise cancelling, not noise cancelling on or noise cancelling off. They just say noise cancelling. So yeah, I think that's it. I like them. I absolutely like them. They feel good. They look good. I like the color. I'm really happy with the color. And the sound without the noise cancelling is really good. With the noise cancelling, they sound like any other headphones. Nothing special at all. But if you turn off the noise cancelling, the sound is really good actually. I really like them. Like today, instead of watching TV, I watched on my phone and with my headphones. That's it. Yeah, I think I forgot to say I got a discount code for you. I think it was Sir Pierre 2024 or just Pierre 2024. Check in the description. I will text it there. I don't know. I don't remember if it was 10% or 15% or whatever it was. Maybe more. I don't know. But they were grateful for me doing this video, so they gave you a discount code. Sudio E3, I'm happy with them. Look good, feels good, sounds good. That's it. Thanks for watching.